So you're telling me that Dad wants to take a look at the proposal for the resort project?
Yes, sir. Medyo tinablan po yata siya doon sa pag-uusap niyo kanina. So, may konting change of heart siya. Gusto na rin niya tulungan yung community ni Ikit.
That was totally unexpected. I thought he shut us out for good.
Bigla tuloy ako na-guilty. Ang dami kong sinabing masasakit sa inyo. Lalo na sa kanya. I owe him an apology.
Wait, good. Why don't we go talk to him? Maybe we can put this all behind us.
You know what, you're right. And I think ngayon yung perfect time na mag-heart-to-heart na kami ni Dad. Maybe I can finally resolve the conflict with him.
Yeah. Well, let me text Ikit. We're supposed to meet up. Maybe she's on her way already. True.
What?
I just got a text from Dad.
What is it?
Clara, call security. Go to Dad's office right now. Drew, let's go. Let's help.
Di ba mo ako? Ikaw ang dapat matakot. Dahil kapag sinaktan mo ko, susugurin namin ang pamilya at uubusin namin kayo! Di ba mo ko? Hayop ka! Akala mo natatakot ako kayo? Ikaw ang dapat manginig!
I am not letting you near anyone else in my family. If you come near them again, I will break every bone in your body.
So funny, because that's exactly what your wife told me. Habang linulublob ko yung ulo niya sa drum at kinukuryente, I even have videos of her suffering. Do you want to see them?
You are so evil. I can kill you right here, right now.
You are not a killer. You don't even have what it takes! Saklolo! Saklolo! Huwag mo akong patayin, please. Maawa ka!
Why should I listen to you? Do you have any idea what it was like? Did you listen to my wife when you took her and tortured her?
Please, William, please.
Diyos ko, paano po may dumating pang sasakyan? Makahingi ako ng tulong. Paano may dumating pang tulong, please?
I'm not a violent person, but if you come after my family and try to hurt them, I will not hesitate to protect them.
Wala ka pa ng pinatbate. Dapat kanina mo pa ako pinatay. You know, I would love to stay and watch you drown in your own blood. But I have to go. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi ka malulungkot sa impyerno dahil isusunod ko na yung asawa mo!
Diyos ko, sana sila na makaligtas sa akin. Saklala! Tulungan niyo ako! Tulungan niyo ako! Tulungan niyo ako! May mahabol sa akin!
Surprise! I figured na pagod ka ng tumakbo. Kaya we came to pick you up.
Hindi na ako papayag na babalik mo ko doon.
So may gana ka pa palang magpa-hard to get. Kahit anong gawin mo, Tita May, hindi ka mananalo sa amin because we got you outnumbered. Kaya sumuko ka na lang kung ayaw mong tadtarin ka ng bala ng tauhan ni Tita Soraya.
gusto ko mas nalaman sa iyo. Ang tagal ko yun. Yan makita tayo ako sa lista. Kasi nakalas din. Hindi siya uwihan. Ang alam.
Madu? Sir? Sir? Sir William? Sir William, okay lang po kayo? Tulong! Sir William! Sir, ano nangyari sa inyo? Sir! Sir!
Dad! 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 How did this happen? Who did this?
Sir, hindi ko ho alam. Pagpasok ko, nakaganyan na po si Sir William na nakahiga na, nakahandusay na po siya. Tapos, hindi ko alam po kung ano po yung nangyari, sir.
You, don't just stand there. Search the whole place. Maybe the person who did it is still here. Call security right now. Get the police.
Kuya, may pulso si Dad pero mahina lang. Tulungan niyo kami! Dali na natin si Dad sa hospital. Dad, we got you, okay? Don't worry, you and I are here.